Hey everyone, welcome to today's AWS SOA-C02 practice session, brought to you by Cert Boosters. This video will break down a key question on Amazon EKS and how to connect your tools to a managed Kubernetes cluster. Let's talk about EKS and kubectl. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, or EKS, allows you to run Kubernetes clusters in AWS without managing the infrastructure. To interact with your EKS cluster, you'll use the kubectl command line tool, but it needs the correct configuration on your machine to talk to the cluster's API server. Here's today's question. A SysOps administrator creates an Amazon EKS cluster that uses AWS Fargate. The cluster is deployed successfully. The administrator needs to manage the cluster using kubectl. The correct answer is A, the kubeconfig file. Kubectl uses the kubeconfig file to store authentication and endpoint information for the Kubernetes API. This file tells your machine where the cluster is and how to connect to it securely. Let's break down the wrong answers. B, kubeproxy is used within the cluster for networking. It doesn't help your machine connect externally. C, the Fargate profile defines which pods run on Fargate. It has nothing to do with client access. D.xconnector.yaml is used to link external clusters to the AWS console. Not relevant here. If you found this helpful, check out our full AWS SOA-C02 practice question bank at Cert Boosters. You can study with a downloadable PDF, use our online browser-based practice tests, or even run our offline software on Windows. Hit subscribe for more exam-ready content, and I'll see you in the next video.